To import data, each record in your data file must be on its own line and the fields separated by commas. This is known as a CSV file. Microsoft Excel can create a CSV file. A correctly formatted CSV file must follow a few simple rules that will make this process run smooth. The rules and the field specs are both outlined in the import module. Here you are seeing the fields that we can import for players. The import module must be run as the administrator user. When you open the import module, make sure you're running the version that is the same as your Bandleader software. The text below will remind you of the type of file that you need, and you can print the import file specs. To begin the import, click on the Import Parameters tab and select the import type. If the import requires any action on your part, instructions will be printed on the screen. For example, this import wants us to place a check mark in a control option before we begin. Next, find the CSV file that we want to import and a list of fields we can import shows up on the left. We must select the fields in the same order that they appear in our file from left to right. I can't import the third field, so I must add a skipped field as a placeholder. It looks like I made a mistake here, so I'll double-click the mistake and it'll go away. To finish off my layout, let me select email and postal code from the list, as they are the last two fields on my record. If any of the conditions mentioned in Section 5 exist, place a check mark next to them. Finally, verify the location of your Bandleader database and click Begin Import. If your import is successful, the last step is to load the import into the Bandleader, and you're done.
Just let me know.